Autoscreen is not just a tool but a transformative solution that revolutionizes how investigations are conducted in the digital age. The platform's automation capabilities drastically cut down investigation times and human error rates, providing NIA with a strategic advantage in combating cybercrime. Investigators often need to manually sift through vast amounts of social media data, which is time consuming and prone to human error. Conventional methods lack integration, requiring separate tools for data collection, text classification, and evidence capture, leading to disjointed workflows. Manual logging and screenshotting of evidence result in slow investigative progress, delaying crucial insights needed for timely action. Autoscreen automates the web scraping of social media feeds, significantly reducing manual labor and allowing investigators to focus on analysis. It offers unified evidence management by capturing and organizing text and images, automatically classifying content based on relevance. Advanced search filters, including timeline segmentation and context specific queries, enable swift and accurate data retrieval. Integrated AI models provide automated summaries and key insights, enhancing the investigative progress. With multi platform support, including a mobile version, investigators can access evidence anytime, anywhere. Built on secure infrastructures like AWS Cloud, Autoscreen ensures enhanced security and compliance, protecting sensitive data. Thank you.